Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to find internal volume of a bottle in Solidworks. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I'm using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So I will go to here open, and here I will open the recent document, that is this PET bottle. So our goal is to find out how much water or how much liquid it can store. So first of all I will go to here features, reference geometry, and here I will create a plane. Okay, so my first reference would be top plane, and here I will drag this to 270 millimeters, and this will define the height of the liquid which will be stored in this bottle. Click OK. Now I will go to this command that is called intersect. If you don't find this command here, just go to here insert, features, and here you will find this command intersect. So go to here intersect. I will select this plane that we have just created. I will select this PET bottle and I will change this to create internal regions and click intersect. If by default it is tick, so make sure to uncheck this merge result option and click OK. I will hide this plane, and here you will see we have two solid bodies. One is this body that we have just created and one is the other body. So first I will rename it. This would be my PET bottle. And this is the liquid, or I can rename it as water. Now we will apply the material. So go to here PET bottle, right click, material, edit material, and here I will go to plastic and I will apply PET, this one. A PET bottle or a polyethylene terephthalate bottle is a lightweight, clear and durable plastic container widely used for packaging foods, beverages, pharmaceuticals, etc. And select apply. Similarly, go to here water, right click, material, edit material, and here I will look for water. So go to other non-metals, and here you will find this material, water, and click apply. I cannot see the material water because PET bottle is not transparent. So go to here PET bottle, right click and click here change transparency. Now you can see some ripples of water, although it is not realistic, but it will work for us. Next, our goal is to find out the volume, or how much water it can store in this bottle. So go to here evaluate, mass properties, and here it is showing the combined result of this bottle. So I will clear this selection. I will select this water, recalculate, and here you can find out the volume. Let's say I have to find out volume in liters. So go to here options, and here I can change the per unit volume to liters and click OK. Now you can see the volume it can store is around 2 liters or 2.11 to be exact. It is also showing mass, and the density of water is 1000 grams per liter. And that's how you can calculate the volume of internal region of a PET bottle in SolidWorks. It will really help you when you are doing some product design. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.